petrochemical facility was constantly battling with frequent seal failures, expensive shutdowns, and sky-high maintenance hours, all thanks to low-cost competitor seals. Fragile components and fractured faces meant unplanned shutdowns, soaring operational costs, and 60 man-hours wasted per seal change across multiple teams. Enter AESSEAL with the CAPI A Single Seal, the upgrade they desperately needed. No modifications, direct fit, and a robust design that's been running failure-free since 2016. And the results? A game changer. What started with 2 pumps has now grown to a fleet of 40, each one saving 180 working hours and $18,000 over 6 years, hitting break-even in just 12 months. Fewer breakdowns, less time in hazardous areas, and a smarter investment that delivers long-term reliability and safety. For service that exceeds expectations, call AES Seal today.